Today I'm going to show you how I made $6 in just 2 minutes with Coinbase. Coinbase is a great website to trade cryptocurrency. Plus, it's a good place to make free money easily. Just follow my steps and you will make easy $6 in just 2 minutes. I remind you, all my videos are tested in a real environment, so I don't give you empty theoretical methods. I give you 100% proven tested methods that really work. Before I show you this magic trick, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to put like. So let's begin. First, we open Coinbase.com and we log into Coinbase Wallet app. This is our Coinbase dashboard. I click Learn and Earn. All we have to do is take some quiz, and every quiz we solve it, we will be rewarded $1. For example, here I have been rewarded with the fetch token. Now I will take the quiz of the AMP token. I just click the quiz. I read what it's written here. It's like some information about the token, and I click Take Quiz. Also, I read some information about the token. They are teaching me about the token, and I take the quiz also. Here, I choose the right answer. It's very easy to choose it. So I have been rewarded $1. So now the future of AMP token, take the quiz. This is the question. I just answer, and I have been rewarded $1 in AMP token. And that way, and now I have been rewarded with $3 AMP. I already have been rewarded with the fetch token. Also, there is many quiz I can take in this dashboard. As many quiz I take, I will be rewarded. I press assets. In the assets, it will show me how much I made money. I made $6. I earned $6 from Coinbase, €5.16. In just 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes, I made $6 reward. As you see, Coinbase Wallet app is an amazing money-making machine where you can make free, easy money online without any effort. I never made in my life $6 in less than 2 minutes. I invite you all to try this easy passive income. All you have to do is to open an account with Coinbase and take daily quiz. I will leave you the link to create a Coinbase account in the video and in the description. Thank you so much for watching.